Amazon automation, Shopify automation, Amazon FBA, high-ticket sales, Shopify, the list goes on. I'll be going over some red flags and main points you need to watch out for as you go through your investment options and as you vet them. Now, they usually want to get you on the phone. First off, if they try to pressure you into parting with your money because you may miss out on the chance of investing with them, well, that's a red flag, and that really turns me off. There is no investment, especially when dealing with a legitimate business, that will say you have missed out and can no longer invest with them, unless it's like a construction company or real estate, where there's still a certain amount of time that they give you to invest and to go through all the information that they provide. So it's still not having to invest right now. Trust me, if you do come across those companies and those businesses, they will be marketing to you again so you come back to them. Another is when they want you to commit or be very serious to make a decision then and there, and possibly won't tell you the cost of the actual investment until you commit. And a usual question leading up to this is how much you currently make or how much you're willing to invest, which is a clever way of trying to find out how much money you have so that they can actually figure out what they can potentially charge you for their investment. And yes, it's not a nice tactic. And that's another big red flag. If someone does not want to tell me the cost, usually my question that I'm thinking in my head is, why can't I know the cost? I can't make an informed decision without all the pieces laid in front of me. And I'm a very visual person. I need to have all the information laid out in front of me so I can see what exactly the costs are. Now, I used to get all kinds of calls such as these, and I would get pressured into saying yes. And then I've had bad experiences of following up to them where those investments would not bear any fruit, which is why I want you to learn from my mistakes and be ahead of the curve. Now, whoever you're talking to, as always, research the person you're talking to. Stalk them on social media. Check out their business. How long have they been in business? Find out from the state's website how long they've been in business. Do they have any complaints? Ask them on the call. Do they have any other clients? How many of their clients have had any bad experiences? Or asking them the opposite of the question that they're usually used to. What is the exact cost breakdown for this investment? Get a piece of paper or pull up your notes on your phone. Ask them that besides the actual investment, what else you would need to cover to run the business, such as ad costs, inventory costs, etc. And how much that would be so you know exactly what your expected business expenses are from month to month. Find out when the expected profit should be received and then calculate your ROI or return on investment and do your due diligence. It's easy to fall into the trap of social media and give money over to people who may be skilled at portraying a lavish life, but they in fact are not living it. They're only pretending. So be careful. Some of them may be genuine, but you just want to be careful because anything is possible with social media. And as difficult as this is and sounds, only invest what you are okay losing. Try not to borrow money in case that investment goes south. And I hope it doesn't for you. Tell me what investments you guys are currently doing. What are you currently investing in or are planning on investing? If you have any questions, let me know. I may be able to help because I've been through a lot of these different scenarios. Well, hope this video was useful and you found some value in it. And if you did, please hit the like button. It would mean so much to me. And please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on Dan Daily.